everyone, let me introduce you about our sales-iot smart tool locker. It can be also called as smart item or smart material locker, smart carton locker, smart tool locker. Why we call this? Because in our factory or in hospital, we made some problem about the materials, cartons, or some tools. It's missed everywhere and it's difficult to manage who get the tools, who get the materials, and it's easily losing and missed. So we cannot get it management efficiently. But now our smart lockers can help people to help our factory management to enhance the management efficiency. Let me introduce you about our smart medical tool locker functions. Here we can see there is a menu button: borrow, return, take, and manager. As a manager, we need to check how to manage the goods from here. Here we need to change the language to English. First, login the admin. We can see the admin menu: the device, password, language, locker, weight, camera, picture, item, tool bind, tool order, material bind, material order, inventory, and promo, employee, exit. Device, we can check the device, set the device number and the name and the contact information, for example. The language, right now we have English, Romania, and Chinese. Locker, we can see all locker box, the number, and other data information. The weight, because each box has the weight sensor. The weight sensor can measure each item's weight when we first store this item. For example, this item, when we first made, we need to use this function to weigh this sample weight to calculate the data and record the item. When the item first record, we need to take a picture from here, and we need to set the item number, item name, and item image. The item image we can use the camera to take it, or we can load the products data from the cell. This is a tool bind, because before we already set the item weight and set the item information. So right now we need to bind the item to box. First we choose the item image and choose the door number. For example, the door 1 or door 2, 3, and we choose the item for binding. After binding, we know all box has accordingly recorded each item separately. Here, it is the material list. We can check all material list from here. This is a tool order. What I mean? This is the material. If it is tools or cutters, we can check from the tool order list. If it is the item or material list, we can check the material order here. Here we can see different time and who used this locker to get the items. We can choose the date and click search, and we can see who, because the camera takes the picture when people take the goods and return the goods. So it's easy for us to know the order list. This is the employee information, function set. For our factory or hospital, who can use this locker to order the items, who can get the orders. We can set the employee ID from here. The user number, username, IC number, user password, borrow limit. For example, he can only borrow 2 times or 3 times. We can set it from here. After set, we can click add. This is a material event list. Employee, okay. This is the whole info function for the admin menu we introduced. But now let me introduce you how to take the materials. We click take, and there is 3 ways for launching: IC card, or scan the QR code, or use the account and password. Let me input the password here and click login. Right now I need to take some materials from box number 7. I click box number 7. Okay, the box 7, the door is open. I take 1 item. Here will show take 1 item. If I put it back, it will show the number is 0. Right now let me take 2. So the take material, the number is 2. I close the door. We can continue. You can see the inventory. And we, as a manager, I need to put some goods. So I choose the password for launching. And I click launching. And the material, I click the number. I put 2 inside. Okay, thank you for your listening. For more details, welcome to contact us, and we will show you more information. Thank you.